Hello mga kabayan, kumusta po? I hope all is well. Sa video na to, papakita ko po sa inyo kung paano po mag-apply ng SSS Maternity Notification. Kindly like and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Let's start! According to SSS, a daily cash allowance is granted to female member who is unable to work due to childbirth or miscarriage or emergency termination of pregnancy. So ano po yung mga qualifying conditions? The member has paid at least 3 months of contributions within the 12-month period immediately before the semester of her childbirth or miscarriage or emergency termination of pregnancy. If employed naman po, she must have given a notification of her pregnancy through her employer. So ito po yung gagawin natin. We will give notification sa SSS through their web portal. She must directly notify the SSS if she is separated from the employment, a self-employed or voluntary member, including OFW member. So, ang una po natin gagawin ay punta po tayo sa website ng SSS, which is sss.gov.ph. Just make sure na meron na po kayong account sa SSS. Meron po akong previous tutorial video about that. Then, click nyo lang po yung I'm not a robot. Then, submit. Then, click po natin yung member. Then, put your user ID and password. And, click nyo po ulit yung I'm not a robot. Then, click Submit. Ayan. So, ito po yung homepage ng sss.gov.ph. Click nyo lang po yung e-services. Ayan. And scroll down po. Click po natin yung Submit Maternity Notification. Ayan. So, ito po yung lalabas. You have to put your expected date of delivery. And my question po dito, do you want to allocate a portion of your maternity leave credits? Then click yes if gusto nyo po. Then fill up nyo po kung ilang araw. Put your first name, middle name, last name. And kung ano po yung relationship, child's father or alternate caregiver. Or click nyo po yung no if you want to avail the full SSS maternity benefit. So, may mga reminders po dito. Starting January 2021, SS contribution includes Workers' Investment and Savings Program or WISP. The computation of benefits under the regular SSS program shall be based on contributions up to 20,000 monthly salary credit. In determining the female member's entitlement to the benefit, the SSS shall consider only those contributions paid prior to the semester of contingency. Ayan. So, kapag na-fill up nyo na po yan lahat, click nyo lang po yung submit. And to know po yung status ng inyong notification, click nyo po yung inquiry, then sickness maternity, then click nyo po yung sickness maternity claim info. And here, so makikita niyo po ito yung maternity benefit na maternity notification, sickness benefit, BPR maternity claim history. So, click niyo po yung maternity notification. And so, dito po yung claim number, delivery date, filing date, and status po ng inyong maternity notification. So, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye!